Google Workspace email setup. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up email on Google Workspace and also how you can use Google Workspace. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to search over for Google Workspace on your device, and if you're on iOS or Android, you can just go to App Store or Google Play Store and search up for Google Workspace, and you will get their official app. So after visiting this site, here you can see this option, get started. Just simply tap on to get started. And there we go. But before that, let me show you some pricings of Google Workspace to work more efficiently. Here you can see this offers business starter, business standard, business plus, enterprise plus, etc. You can just compare all of them according to your need, and then you can just buy one. Also, you can just start a free trial for free. Just check each of them out and then just buy one. Now let's head over to our main step. Simply tap on to get started. So to get started, here you can see this option, business name. You have to enter your business name, like you should enter the business name similar with your niche, like your business name should be matched with your products or business. For example, as I'm an YouTuber, I'm gonna tap onto I'm gonna write something like YouTube hustler, so something like that you should add also. Now you have to enter your number of employees including you, so I'm gonna tap onto 229. Now you have to choose your region. For that, I'm gonna choose USA for now, or you can say America. So let me just find the option. So here you can see this. Okay, not US, this one. So let me find that out. So let's choose. So where it is? Okay, let's choose just um Australia for now. Then you have to tap onto next. Now you have to tap onto your first name. You have to enter your first name, your last name, your current email address. So if you are doing it for your business, then I will suggest you should enter the business email of yours. Just enter a business email. Now let's enter first name like this. Now you have to tap next, and there we go. Now you have to choose a way to set up your account. So for that, you can either get a new custom domain, or also you can set up using your existing domain. Like you can use the domain that you already own, or you can just buy a new domain and build your brand online. So here you can see, if you choose the one like go with your previously bought domain, you can tap onto these options, like choose a way to, like what's your business domain name. You have to enter your business domain name, you have to tap next, and then you have to go to your domain dashboard and you have to give access to it. So as of right now, I don't own any domain. I'm going to tap onto this one also and show you how you can buy a custom domain. So tap on to get into custom domain and you can continue with this name method. Now search up for your domain name. For example, I'm gonna type in something like that. Now you can search it up for example, this one, not this one. Let's say tap onto .com and let's search it up for. So here you can see these ones. There are a lot of domains available for that. You can just choose them and buy one. Also, you can go to any website hoster, for example, GoDaddy or Hostinger, or there are a lot of other sites available, for example, Namecheap, etc. You just have to visit this site. You can buy a domain right from here very easily. So here we go. This is GoDaddy, and after choosing it, now simply type the domain you want right here. Also, you can try AI domain search if you wish to. And also before that, you should log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account from here. So now you have to search up for a domain. So let me show you how you can do it. Simply go and search up for some domains, for example, like this, and then you can search up for domain. As you can see, there are some domains available which are much more cheaper than then just choose one like this. Then you have to choose it, then tap next and then complete the procedure to buy it. You have to enter your business information. To register your domain from here, you have to enter your each street address, your street address line to your suburb. For example, I'm gonna type in New York. Then you have to choose your state from here. For example, I'm gonna choose like this. Now lastly, you have to enter your number, for example this one. Then you have to tap next. Now you have to enter postal code. Then you have to tap next. So this is pretty much how you can do it. You just have to enter a postal code. So I'm gonna tap on to postal. Let me choose this one. Okay, let's tap on to um, then I'm gonna tap next. So let me copy some address from here. For example, this one. Then you have to enter this. Um, then you have to, so that's pretty much it. Now lastly, just search up for a postal code. After entering all the information, then you just have to keep continuing. So tap next and then just tap next, and then you can easily log into it. So this is as simple as that. So if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you want a more described Google Workspace setup or tutorial, then let me know that too. I will make a more briefly described Google Workspace tutorial for you. So for today, that's it. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, toggle the button on, and comment down below that what is your opinion, if you want a new video on it or not, and etc. So till then, take care, goodbye, and as always, happy exploring, keep exploring, goodbye.